Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 16 divided by 4 is equal to 4. Then again 16 divided by 4 is equal to also 4. Now 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1. Okay, but this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay, PEMDAS PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, P means parenthesis, A means exponents, M means multiplication, D means division, A means addition, and S means subtraction. First priority is parenthesis, then second priority is exponents, then third priority is multiplication and division, fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. And addition and subtraction also both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So now here is division, here also is division, and here is division. So first we have to solve it's from left to right because all have equal priority. So first we have to solve this division. So 16 divided by 4 is equal to 4. Divide 16 divide 4. Okay. So now here is division and here is division, both have equal priority. So first we have to solve this division. So 4 divided by 16 can be written as 4 by 16 divided by 4. Now according to KCF rule, K means keep this first fraction same, C means change this sign, and F means flip this last fraction. Okay, so 4 by 16, now change this sign from division to multiplication. Now flip this last fraction, 1 by 4. Okay, now cancel this 4 by this 4 is equal to 1 by 16 is the correct answer. Okay, so the correct answer is 1 by 16. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.